In this short tutorial, I will show you how to see blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Blocking someone on WhatsApp can be a useful feature if you no longer want to receive messages or calls from certain people. However, sometimes you may want to access the list of blocked contacts to unblock them or simply see who is on the list. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, tap Privacy. Then scroll down a bit and tap Blocked. Now you'll be able to see a list of contacts you've blocked on WhatsApp. You can tap on any of these contacts to see more details about them. Also, you can scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the option to unblock them. So if you want to unblock a specific contact, just tap Unblock. This is exactly how you can see the blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.